AWS Lake Formation. AWS Lake Formation is a fully managed service that makes it easy to set up, secure, and manage data lakes on Amazon S3. A data lake is a centralized repository that allows you to store all of your structured and unstructured data at any scale. It allows you to store and analyze data in its native format without having to move it to a separate analytics system. In this primer, we will cover all aspects of AWS Lake Formation, including what it is, how it works, and how to set up and manage a data lake with AWS Lake Formation. What is AWS Lake Formation? AWS Lake Formation is a fully managed service that allows you to set up, secure, and manage data lakes on Amazon S3. With Lake Formation, you can easily create a data lake that is secure, compliant, and scalable. It provides a single, centralized view of all of your data, making it easy to discover, access, and analyze. AWS Lake Formation simplifies the process of creating a data lake by automating many of the manual tasks associated with data lake setup and management. It provides an easy-to-use interface for configuring data sources, managing permissions, and monitoring data access. How does AWS Lake Formation work? AWS Lake Formation works by providing a set of tools and services for creating and managing data lakes on Amazon S3. These tools and services include Data Catalog. The AWS Lake Formation Data Catalog is a central repository for all of your metadata, including tables, databases, and partitions. It makes it easy to discover and access data across multiple sources and formats. Data Access. AWS Lake Formation provides a set of tools for granting and managing data access, including fine-grained access controls, column-level permissions, and encryption. Data Transformation. AWS Lake Formation includes tools for transforming data into the desired format for analysis. This includes support for Apache Spark for data processing and Amazon Glue for ETL, extract, transform, and load jobs. Data Management. AWS Lake Formation provides a set of tools for managing the lifecycle of data, including data retention policies, data deletion, and data archiving. Security and Compliance. AWS Lake Formation provides a set of tools for ensuring the security and compliance of your data lake. This includes support for encryption, audit logging, and compliance with industry regulations. Setting up a data lake with AWS Lake Formation. Setting up a data lake with AWS Lake Formation is a straightforward process that involves the following steps. Set up your AWS account. To use AWS Lake Formation, you need to have an AWS account. You can create an account on the AWS website. Set up an Amazon S3 bucket. Before you can create a data lake, you need to set up an Amazon S3 bucket. This is where you will store your data. You can create a new S3 bucket using the AWS Management Console. Set up AWS Lake Formation. Once you have set up your S3 bucket, you can set up AWS Lake Formation by using the AWS Management Console. You can create a new Lake Formation data lake by following the prompts in the console. Configure your data sources. After you have set up your data lake, you need to configure your data sources. This involves connecting your data sources to your data lake and defining the metadata for each source. Set up data access controls. Once you have configured your data sources, you need to set up data access controls. This involves defining permissions for accessing the data in your data lake. Define data transformations. You can use AWS Glue to transform your data into the desired format for analysis. This involves defining ETL jobs that extract data from your data sources, transform the data, and load it into your data lake. Monitor and manage. Once your data lake is set up, you can monitor and manage it using the AWS Management Console. This includes monitoring data access, managing data retention policies, and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. Advanced features of AWS Lake Formation. AWS Lake Formation includes a number of advanced features that make it a powerful tool for managing data lakes. These features include fine-grained access controls. AWS Lake Formation provides fine-grained access controls that allow you to control access to individual columns and rows of data. Column-level encryption. AWS Lake Formation provides column-level encryption that allows you to encrypt sensitive data at the column level. Cross-account sharing. AWS Lake Formation allows you to share data across multiple AWS accounts, making it easy to collaborate with others. Workflow automation. AWS Lake Formation provides tools for automating workflows, including support for Apache Airflow for scheduling and monitoring workflows. Data masking. AWS Lake Formation provides data masking capabilities that allow you to mask sensitive data in your data lake. Integration with AWS services. AWS Lake Formation integrates with other AWS services, including Amazon EMR, Amazon Athena, and Amazon Redshift. Cost optimization. AWS Lake Formation includes tools for optimizing the cost of your data lake, including support for Amazon S3 intelligent tiering and lifecycle policies. Conclusion. AWS Lake Formation is a powerful tool for managing data lakes on Amazon S3. It provides a set of tools and services that make it easy to set up, secure, and manage a data lake, including support for fine-grained access controls, column-level encryption, and workflow automation. With AWS Lake Formation, you can create a data lake that is secure, compliant, and scalable. It provides a single, centralized view of all of your data, making it easy to discover, access, and analyze. If you are looking to set up a data lake on Amazon S3, AWS Lake Formation is an excellent choice.